So many people spend time creating products. They have 100 listings in their shop, but then they don't have anything sold. And you might say, Jay, what's going on with that? I thought I had to have so many listings in my shop for me to get a sale. But here's the problem with that, my friends. If you're listing products and you never prove the market, nothing will sell. Here's my seller tip number 2. You have to do product research to prove the market before you create the product. Now, I'm all about creating from passion. I believe you need to create from passion because no one wants to create things they're not passionate about. You're going to get bored, you're going to get tired, and you're not going to continue. But I do believe that you should apply your passion with what's proven. Right? You need to apply it with your passion with what's proven. Maybe you like creating children designs. Well, go into the Etsy research and figure out, is there a proven market in the digital wall art space where people are buying things for their kids? Because that's my passion, to create things from children. Maybe your passion is to have your own wedding business one day, and maybe that's coming up in the future. But right now, what you can do with that passion is to tie your passion with creating things for those who are getting married, with creating wedding digital invitations, maybe wedding seating charts. You want to combine, here it is, you want to combine your passion with what's proven in the market. That's why it's so important. This is probably the major thing that we can take away today. Prove that there is a market before you create the product, because here's the sad truth, my friends, not everything you create is going to sell, right? Not everything you create on Canva is going to sell on Etsy. You have to make sure that before you create, you're proving the market. And so this is what we call product research. So your next question might be, Jay, that's great. Okay, you told me I got to find a product that's proven to sell in the market, but how do I even do that, right? What is selling right now on Etsy? And that's probably the major question a lot of Etsy sellers in the beginning have. What is selling on Etsy? What is proven to get me a sale online? And I taught you guys in my recent videos a deep dive into all this stuff, but just giving you a quick tip is all about going into Etsy and finding out what is selling. Now, how do you know what's selling on Etsy? If you're new to this, I'm going to teach you right now. A great way is to go in the search bar on Etsy and search up whatever niche you want to be a part of, or whatever product you are passionate about before you even create that in Canva. And I want you to prove the market. How do we do that? We prove the market, first of all, by finding best sellers on that page. That means bestsellers let me know that people have bought this recently and people are enjoying this product. And therefore, Etsy's badge is to let people know this is a hot seller. If anything, we can use the Amazon terminology. This is the Amazon pick, right? And so the bestsellers let me know this is a product that is proven to sell. Now, my strategy of proving the market is to find out if there are multiple bestsellers on this page. If there's multiple bestsellers on the first page, the second page, the third page, and then guess what, my friends? That lets me know the product is winning. The product is winning. Again, this here is an example of what I mean by proving the market before I create the product. Is that you can go into all of these listings and Etsy will let you know if this is a bestseller by giving you the bestsellers badge. Now, to be sure, to be plain, to be clear, not all bestsellers are going to show the bestsellers badge. So that means you got to go in and look in and see how many people have this in the cart. But what we know from this, my friends, is that when people have it in the cart, it's proven to sell. A great way to see if this product is selling, if this product is winning before I even create is this. Here it is. You got to prove the market by seeing if people are buying this today. Now, this is what I mean by it needs to prove to be a winning product. We know it's proven to be a winning product if it has the best sellers badge. If you are watching this online with me live today, this is a great time to get your phone or do that screenshot on our computer, because this is my strategy. This is my step-by-step before I even create something. I look and see, is it a winning product? Number two, I look and see how many people have created a product in this niche. That's what I mean by competition. Is it in high competition? Is it in low competition? And third, I want to know if it's seasonal. I want to check in the reviews to see if it's seasonal. Now, I taught you guys in my other videos that I do believe you need to spend time creating seasonal products, because guess what? Christmas season is coming right now, right? The holiday season is coming right now. And many people in the Etsy shop has made a whole year's salary in a couple of weeks. And so there's power in creating a seasonal product. But here's the problem. There's weakness also. If you only have a shop that's designed with seasonal products, what's going to happen when that product is out of season? You're not going to get a sale out of season. And so you got to make sure that whatever product you are searching for, whatever product you want to create, look at the reviews, because the reviews will let me know if this product is seasonal or if this product is evergreen. An evergreen product means this product is proven to sell all throughout the year. So I taught you in my recent videos is that combining these two powerful places, right? Seasonal products as well as evergreen products is the best place to help you get consistent sales online. But my first pro tip is this: you got to do product research, right? You have to do product research. If you're getting any value from today's video, my friends, let me know by hitting like on today's video. So happy to see so many folks joining us live today and making your presence known by being in the chat. That's a part of our online community. Just not about me chiming in, but about you chiming in also. So I want to get some time from the chat today. Jay's Fandom Nation says I'm watching from Brooklyn today. Shout out to New York. David says he's watching from Canada. So good to have my Canadian friends with us today. Yes, it is so important that you are creating products that's just not seasonal, but products that are also proven to be evergreen. So again, my first pro tip is prove the market, right? You want to prove that there is a profit in this market before I even sell a product. And let me give you a little more deeper into that. Watching from Nashville says Jessica. So happy to have Jessica with us today. Watching from Nashville. How's the weather from Nashville? So good to have you with us. This is what I mean by proving the market, right? Again, I'm looking at the bestsellers badge, and I'm also going down to look at the reviews. The reviews let me know that this product is winning. When I took this picture, this product was listed, or well, at least selling in January. But guess what? In the bottom tab, what do we see here? This product was last reviewed in January 2021. That means whatever style this is, whatever font they're using, whatever theme they're using, I know this is resonating with people. I can do a whole video on this, but we got to move on, my friends, because it's all about applying these tips to your Etsy shop. If you want to get a deep dive into all this product research and how to find things that are winning in Etsy right now, I have taught you guys in my other video live stream tutorial deep dive. And so you want to check that out and check out my helpful links in my description box below. But again, it's about proving the market to be successful. Again, another point that I want to bring here is that these best selling products can be all over the Etsy platform. It's just not one product that is proven to sell. That, again, we talked about combining your passion with what is proven in the market. And maybe you're like, Jay, listen, I don't want anything to do with selling birthday invitations. I'm not a fan. Or maybe I don't have that creative design to create wedding templates. That's okay, right? You want to start with passion, but end with data, right? You want your products to be driven with data. And even right now, this product, this social media bundle is selling for $36. Come on, $37. Every time somebody checks out, they're getting that $37 hitting their bank account. Of course, with taxes and fees, we already understand that. But in the other day, products are selling all the time. You might be saying, Jay, I'm not a fan with selling digital products. Do you got something else for me? Yes, guess what? You can also sell physical products on Etsy using the same strategy. This is what I call print on demand, where you don't have to touch the product. You don't have to worry about inventory. You don't have to worry about pushing out Facebook ads, because Etsy has a whole load of traffic coming to their platform. You, as an Etsy seller, have to strategically place the product in front of the right person. And maybe you're like, Jay, I don't want to sell digital products. I want to sell shirts. I want to create my own t-shirt brand. Guess what? A great place to start that as a beginner is by creating print on demand t-shirts. Now, if you are a t-shirt person and you're like, Jay, where's the information at? I have other videos coming up in the future teaching you exactly how to create wonderful t-shirts that are proven to sell on Etsy. But the whole tip that I'm giving to you, this tip can be a whole video in itself, but it's so important. I want to give time to it. You got to prove that the market has that product winning. And one of the products that I use, right, one of the search-based engine products that I use to help me quickly, right, because I taught you, you can do this on Etsy itself, but one of the ways I do this quickly is by using the power of Allura. If you guys want to check out Allura, I will leave it in my link in my description box below. But I love Allura because this is a product-based research program tool. It combines all of the data from all of the pages on Etsy and tells you what products are proven to sell. And it shares with you. You can't see this because for some reason it's a little grainy, but in this tab here, it says Etsy sales, Etsy revenue. It shares with you the price, but I love this because it shows you how many monthly sales they are getting. Right. So it's one thing to go online and find bestsellers. It's another thing when I have Allura showing me how many sales they're getting every single month. So guess what I want to target? Not the one that has 2 sales, but the one who has 100 sales, 1,000 sales. Right. And so again, all this is about pro tip number 2. Here it is. You have to do product research before you release your product on Etsy. So that is the end of today's video, my friends. That was in any way helpful or encouraging. Let me know by leaving a like on today's video. Also, if you want to check out more content like this, I release new videos every single week, helping you learn how to create and sell your own products online. So as always, my friends, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.